everyone, and welcome back. Today, I've got a must-watch tutorial for you. We're delving into the world of iPhone privacy, and I'll be showing you an essential trick: how to lock your WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's a game changer for keeping your personal space secure. So, if you've ever worried about someone getting a little too curious when your phone is left unattended, this one's for you. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the steps. First things first, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Now, tap on the automation icon at the navigation bar. Now tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new automation. Scroll down and select App as the trigger for your automation. Tap Choose and select WhatsApp as the app that will trigger the automation. Select as opened and make it run immediately. Next, let's add the action that will lock your screen. Tap on New Blank Automation. Let's add action. Search for Lock Screen and select Lock Screen from the results. Automation is ready. Let's test it. And there you have it. You've just set up a shortcut that automatically locks WhatsApp whenever you open it. This simple automation adds an extra layer of privacy to your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.